Mwalimu Rose hapa, ready to take you on a journey of Swahili. Let's learn how to call moments in Swahili. Repeat after me. Leo, leo. It means today. Kesho, kesho means tomorrow. Jana, jana means yesterday. Sasa, sasa means now. Asubuhi, asubuhi means morning. Mchana, mchana means afternoon. Jioni, jioni means evening. And usiku means night. Usiku means night. Now let's read them out loud. Leo, kesho, jana, sasa, asubuhi, mchana, jioni, usiku. Very good job. That was nice. Now you can tell that today in Swahili is Leo. Well done. Let's meet again here at Bright Minds Tutorial to learn more Swahili with Mwalimu Rose. Bye.